Good morning guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. In this week's video, as you'll have seen in the thumbnail, we're going to be doing a much needed mod to this car. Now, I bought this car a few months ago, and if you're new to the channel, this is my 2000 Vauxhall Corsa B Club, and with that club spec comes these horrible black steel wheels. Some people like the steelies, but personally I'm not a fan. I would rather a nice set of alloy wheels. Now, as you may or may not know, my goal with this car is not to max power it or go full boy racer, it's just to make a nice OEM plus Corsa B. I want to bring this ultimate 90s car into the 21st century. And with that being said, my original plan for wheels was Miglia spiders. So I had been searching the web for a while to try and find a nice set of 15-inch Miglia spiders, and I finally came across some on eBay. They were listed for £225 and £50 delivery, so that would be a grand total of £275. And they also needed tyres, which was going to sting me another at least £300. So I decided to be super irresponsible and buy them anyway. However, when these got delivered, I went to do a quick test fit on the car to make sure they fitted before I started filming the video, and it turns out that these wheels actually had the wrong description, and they're a 4x108 bolt pattern instead of a 4x100 which the Corsa B uses. So knowing this, I messaged the seller and they replied saying they were definitely off a Vauxhall Corsa and that they were definitely a 4x100. So I went back out into my driveway to make sure that they didn't fit. They still didn't fit. So I took measurement pictures to prove that they were 4x108, and then I sent them to the seller and they replied with a £100 offer, which means they would give me £100 back and I would get to keep the wheels, which I wasn't happy with because I would be £175 out of pocket and I would have wheels that I couldn't do anything with. So after a bit of back and forth with the seller not being very helpful, I decided to contact eBay and put in what I think is called a refund response or something along those lines. And basically eBay gave the seller 10 days to offer me a full refund and pay for basically the shipping so that they could get the wheels back, which I was happy with, and the seller did not offer any help at all. They were not in contact with me. I don't know what happened between them and eBay, but 10 days passed and I contacted eBay and said I've not been given any way to resurrect this basically, and they said that's no bother, here's your £275 back and you can keep the wheels. In all honesty, I wasn't expecting eBay to be that helpful. I've heard a lot of bad reviews about eBay and people even calling them by the name Fleabay, because apparently eBay used to be really unreliable and really bad at dealing with customer complaints. But honestly, I was so surprised that eBay were so helpful, and I'm so thankful to their customer service team. I got all my money back. I've got the wheels. I can't really do anything with them. No one wants to buy them. So I've just got a free set of wheels. If anyone wants a set of 4x108 15-inch Miglia spiders, please leave a comment down below and I'm sure we could arrange something. But once again, I would like to say a massive thank you to eBay and their customer service team, because their customer service was absolutely unbelievable. It was absolutely fantastic. And then a few weeks went past and someone made a post on a Corsa B group. Corsa B parts are pretty rare in Scotland if you don't know. If you don't live in Scotland and you don't own a Corsa B, it's quite difficult to find Corsa B parts in Scotland without travelling quite far into England or Northern Ireland. I had to travel about 7 hours down south just to pick up this car, so I did not want to travel another 7 hours down south just to get a set of wheels. Which means I was absolutely over the moon when I went onto one of my local Facebook groups and found out someone was selling a set of Vauxhall Cavalier GSI slabs and a set of Corsa B sport wheels. They wanted £150 for each set of wheels, so I was between what do I get, the standard Vauxhall Corsa wheels or Cavalier GSI wheels. With wanting to do the OEM Plus build, both of these wheels look really good. I have to say I was a huge fan of the Cavalier GSI fan blades, but when I went to see them, the fan blades were black, the sport wheels were still in the alloy colour, and I thought, they're not in the best condition, but I can live with it, and at least they're silver wheels because I absolutely despise black wheels. So ladies and gentlemen, here they are, my Vauxhall Corsa B sport wheels. I have to say, for £150 I am absolutely over the moon with these wheels. They do need tyres, which we're going to get in about the next half hour. However, for £150 these wheels came with 4 genuine metal centre caps. One of them is missing a badge, but I managed to hack one of the badges off my wheel trims and I'm going to stick that down once I get new tyres on the wheels. Now my appointment for tyres for my new wheels is actually between 1:30 and 5 PM and it is currently 1:15 PM. So I've got 15 minutes until I need to get these tyres down to the tyre shop to see if I can get them done super quick. So guys, just like that, we've got some brand new Falcon tyres on the Corsa B Sport wheels. I've got my Corsa sitting right next to me in the garage. We're going to get it jacked up, get the steel wheels off, put these on and then do a big reveal. So guys, that is the wheels fitted to the Corsa and oh my god, it looks good. I wasn't sure on the sport wheels. I thought maybe I should have went for the Cavalier slabs, but oh my god, these look absolutely perfect on the car. Even though the car is only a 1.2, it kind of looks like the 1.4 or 1.6 Sport now that it's got the spoiler and the wheels, and that is absolutely perfect. That is exactly what I was looking for. And with that, we come to the end of this week's video. If you've enjoyed this week's video, please make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below for anything else you'd like to see done with the Corsa, and if you like these wheels or if you think I should have went with something else.